All right, here I have a 2024 Ford Edge with a 2.0 liter engine, and I'm going to show real quick how to do an oil change because they're super easy. And then right here, right next to each other, are the dipstick and the fill cap. Very easy to get to. And then down here, the shield is covered by a bunch of 7mm bolts and two clips, and there's like 11 of those bolts. Okay, and then these clips here, you got to remove them with like a clip tool. You just got to put your clip tool right here and then pull down on it. And then when it comes out, it just kind of looks like this. And then you can pull down the whole thing. And then once you pull down your whole cover, this is what it looks like. You got a 15mm drain bolt right here. All right. And then the when you put it back on, it's 20 foot-pounds. That's the torque for it. And then behind here is your oil filter. All right. And then there's the oil filter I used. And then when you fill it back up, you want to fill it up with 5.5 quarts of 5W30 synthetic or full synthetic blend, either or. And then once you put everything back together and you filled up your engine, what's going to happen is when you turn it on, turn the engine on and let it run for a while and then turn it off to check your oil level, it's going to look like it's overfilled. So what you're going to want to do is let it rest for about 5 minutes and then recheck your oil level, and that's your real oil level. All right, and then to reset the oil life, you want to go here and you want to press this left button, come down all the way to settings, press OK, and then you want to click on vehicle, and then oil life is literally right there, and then you just got to hold the OK button, and that's it. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.